Hi everyone, I'm Falguni. I work as a stylist and as editor for Cicerone, Gujarat's only fashion and lifestyle portal. What we are going to do today is I will take you through how to style 4 saris with 3 different kinds of look for each one. I will show you simple and easy steps how you could accessorize it and take the same sari from office wear to brunch wear to evening wear just with the help of changing some blouses and probably adding few accessories. No, I'm not going to teach you draping techniques. There are a lot of videos that are available. So this is just about styling. Let's dive into it. So first up is the look with black linen sari. This is one of my favorites, very easy to style. It is extremely comfortable. For office, it kind of really cuts the bill. I have styled it with a green crop top. This kind of works well in a lot of other ways also. And I have added a statement neck piece. I've kept the earrings pretty normal. And I have just added one brown simple wristwatch. I really like wearing wristwatches, and added Kolhapuri chappals to kind of go with it. This is very simple, easy breezy look. So second look is here with the red jacket. What I did was use the same sari, the black sari, but I added this shirt dress, wore it as a jacket, the red color, to add a pop of color for the brunch look. Because, well, we wouldn't want to wear black to the brunch, right? So we just add a pop of color. I added this statement neck piece, which is a Ladakhi neck piece, which makes it very, very maximalist. And just wore pumps to go along with it. So this is the last look of this sari. What I did was I swapped the red jacket and the earlier green blouse and top against a halter neck top. This is earlier version of what I had with me. Just teamed it up with the black sari, rustled up the entire look, wore pumps, kept it rather simple with this diamond earrings and a simple bracelet to make it more elegant and glam. So this is my second sari. It is a Chanderi sari and I love the feel of it. It is very, very airy, very, very wispy. I've chosen a pale blue color, again a very timeless shade. But to make it more fun, I have added a denim crop top to go along with it. Now this crop top is something which I could use for multiple other styling purposes also. To make the look fun and flirty, I've added this beautiful textile earrings and added some statement making finger rings, and I'm ready to go for my office. So this is my second look for the same pale blue sari. What I did was I want to go to a brunch and I want to wear a sari. What do? I club it with a contrasting colored blouse. So if you see, I have matched it with a peach colored sleeveless contrasting blouse. But to keep it more timeless, because Chanderi is like that, I added pearls and I also added pearl earrings to go with it and a wristwatch, and I'm ready to go to the brunch. So this is my last look, the evening look for this sari. What I did was opted for a monochromatic, so pale blue with a little darker sort of blue, gaddi silk, so it's apt for evening. Tied a loose bun, added some silver accessories with pearls, contrasted it with a little bit of red pop-up in the fingering and in the neck piece, because I really like some color to kind of really pop out. I'm not someone who really pleats the sari very well. I like it loose straight, so there it is, the evening look. So this is my printed sari look. What I'm wearing is a very, very beautiful red colored sari, and it has a lovely grey colored Rabari print shirt. Now this shirt is very, very interesting because it has Victorian style below waist sleeves, if you can kind of notice. What I did was tuck it in. It has a fantastic Chinese collar to it. So I have just tucked it in and kept the sari look rather simple. To kind of add drama to the footwear, I am wearing this black brogues, which is generally my style. You can choose to wear boots or heels or whatever kind of fits your bill. To kind of make it more interesting, I have added this finger ring and kept my earrings rather basic. Ta-da! It's a glamorous avatar. So I swapped the grey shirt for a fuchsia kind of tube top. I really wanted to play along the same color family. That's how I would kind of want to do this contrast over here, make it monotone. So red and pink kind of work around. Both are having prints, and I wanted to do something different for the brunch look. Frankly, I am so done and dusted with the long flowy dresses, jumpsuits which everybody keeps wearing. In order to kind of glamour the look, what I did was I added the earrings, long big earrings, because the upper part was really bare, and I wanted to play along some finger rings. So that's what I did. I added a couple of finger rings to it, and I have also kind of jazzed it up with pumps. And so here I am with the last look for this particular sari. Again, the same old red sari. I have not changed the draping style. It is just still the same old loose technique that I've been following. What I did was added a beautiful brown colored blazer along with it. This is something which I got in this season for H&M. It's too maximalist, too much out there, and I really wanted to clash the prints along with it. So I have just worn the blazer as a bottom and tied up the sari. What I did was to glam it up. I kind of tied my hair like in a small loose bun and added this gold earrings along with it. I have not kept any other part of jewelry because I feel already there's too much going on. You know, there's this red sari and this brown blazer, and of course there are little pumps to go along with it. This is the Lehriya sari from Rajasthan, and I really love it for the feel of it. It is very thin, lightweight, drapes very well on the body. For office wear, I have just teamed it with a denim shirt, and it has dramatic flared sleeves to kind of go with it. And because there's so many things already happening in what I'm wearing, I have kept accessories to minimal by adding just hoops along with it. And to team with it, the general sturdy brown robes are still at work. This is something that I would like to wear to office if there is some function, some celebration that is happening to work. This is my brunch look with the Lehriya sari. I added a notch to the same sari, teamed it with a crop top in ivory color, added textile jewelry in the hint of pink color, and added a couple of bracelets, Kutchi jewelry, silver jewelry to kind of go with it, and teamed it with brown brogues because I like it really edgy and very, very different. So this is the brunch look. So this is my look for the evening. I have mixed the chiffon Lehriya sari with a lime green blouse and kept a very monochromatic look. Wore the sari traditional way and added golden hoops and an 80s style choker to go with it and a finger ring. The hair has been tied in loose bun, and I have just added golden heels to kind of go with it. So this is my evening look for Lehriya sari.